Here is my easiest chicken water design. Let me show you the measurements. I put a 5-gallon water bottle in here with no cuts to the water bottle. And here I will burn 30 inches, but that's 3 inches from the top, from the bottom, 3.5 inches from the bottom. And the circles burning 30 inches again are 3.5 inches diameter. Really, I just traced this pipe. This pipe needs to be 5 inches long, and this is 3-inch pipe, but it's a 3.5-inch outer diameter. Just set this in here. I drilled a little hole right there. It's not really necessary, but I didn't want water getting plugged up for some reason. Just set that in there, and then you put this water bottle, which is unmodified. Just make sure you get ones with the handle that's flush to the body, or else this won't sit in the bucket. And I've measured all these pieces on the bucket based on this height here, and so just make sure your height, let's see, gotta burn 22.5 inches, so that's about 3 inches tall on that height of the neck. So this is the hard part about this system, but you have to just dunk this bucket in here. I'll put these holes uphill, but okay. So now it'll fill up for the chickens to get some water in here. I put 2 holes. Eventually the water stops gurgling. You can hold this by the 2 sides and put it where you need it to go and tilt away from the holes. So let's look how it's set up now. I like this design because it keeps the water clean. The water was about this clean when I changed the water. I still dump out the few remaining water here because it gets a little cloudy, but it's not too bad. And then if you want to keep the chickens from climbing up the top, you can invert another bucket and put it on top of this one to keep the chickens from pooping in their water. Hello chickies, good morning.